What's going on YouTube? So today we have two unique smartwatches from Novamos. We have the S1 and the S2, and we're going to take a look and see what we got. So these are two very unique smartwatches. What make these smartwatches right here unique is that they hold perfume. So I thought we'd check these out because I've never really seen a watch that does that before. Right here is the S1, and this is the book for it. And it's just showing all the different apps. There's a lot of apps that this smartwatch has. All your workout apps, your blood pressure, O2, weather, messenger. It does the camera, remote camera. You know, play and pause for your music and all that good stuff. So it really does hold a lot for a smartwatch. Now here we have the power cable, and this is one of them north-south deals with the magnet on there, so you don't have to worry about if you're doing it right. Just put it on there until it clicks on there. And here's the perfume. So what you want to do is take your perfume cap off, add the adapter, and you can fill up this little container here, and then take off the top of that container, and this is how we'll add the perfume or cologne in my case. So this is the diffuser here, and this is where we're going to add the cologne. So we're going to just rotate it around. You can see there's a cloth pad in there, and we just gently squirt a little bit in there. Now there is extra cloth pads if y'all want to change the scent, or if it gets worn out or whatever, you just put a new one in. It does come with them. We roll that back around. Right there's a diffuser. You rub on it and you'll get some cologne or perfume. Now I really do like, this is the S1, I really do like the squareness of this. It kind of reminds you of an Apple Watch, and I do like the interface. It has like a floating type of interface to it, so when you pull up the menu and you just touch and move it around, and you'll get different you can see all the different apps in one place. You don't have to like scroll through all the different pages and things like that. I found that super interesting, and there's just so many apps to go through. It's really good. Here's all your exercising. You have your cycling, your running, your golf, whatever you're into. And there's messages. Like I said before, you can just kind of rotate this around to see the other apps, which is pretty nice. There's your music player. There's your flashlight. Now this light on here is very bright. This watch is very bright. I've had to turn it down already. And then here's some option menu for your display. Do not disturb, vibration mode. Then all your system settings, of course. Very nice. Now here, if you just hold it down, you'll be able to change your watch faces. And it does come preloaded with quite a few watch faces. It's very nice. I do like some of these watch faces too. Very different. Like I said, I'm glad that it does come preloaded with them. And now here's the S2. Now this is the more of a rounder one compared to the other square one. And this is, I think, a newer model. It does have some more features to it. And we can still see like a lot of the same apps that are on there. Sleep, sports, got your heart rate training, blood pressure, O2, does weather, you got messages and reminders. So that's really good. I like the reminder feature. Remote shutters for cameras, got the player for music, and there's a lot of other features also, which is, really nice. Y'all can pause and read these if you want to see all the different things it does. With this also, you have your silent alarms, your theater mode, reminder to get up, and remind yourself to drink some water. Always helpful. Now this watch is the same as the other one, except for this has two diffusers on there, so you can load it top and bottom, which I thought was real interesting. I like the sleekness of this. You could tell that it's crafted really well. It's metal, and it feels really good. This has the same north-south, but it's not the same cable, so they're not interchangeable. But you just put it on, it just clicks right in place and starts charging. Very nice. Now the perfume on this one is pretty much the same as the other one. It does come with a bottle and you do preload it, and it works the same way. So, you know, it does have this adapter right here. It fits on your cologne bottle or perfume bottle, which is super nice. It would be very hard to do without it. Then you would just simply fill up your bottle. I already have the bottle filled up, so we don't need to do that again. Then you just pop this off, and then there's the pad for the diffuser, and that's where you load up the perfume. It's super easy to do. You just pop those off. I imagine it probably lasts a week or two depending on how much you use it. There we go. Let's get a little bit on there. And get a little bit on here. You just want to get it wet a little bit. Then after that, put the bands back on. Now these ones are a little tricky. You got to get the one side in first and then snap it in, and you'll actually feel it click when it does click. And then when it does click, you want to make sure each end is in all the way so it doesn't pop off. Same thing with this. You just want to get the opposite end in first, get it lined up, and then you'll feel it click. You'll actually kind of hear it. And then once it does, then you just want to wiggle it around, make sure it's secure in the hole inside. There we go. I heard it click and it feels really good. Now you just rub that. You get a little bit of perfume out of it. It's got a little diffuser in it. Same thing here. There you go. Super unique. I mean, it can be helpful for a lot of people. So here we have the same type of floated menu. I do like this drop down here. You know, you got all your settings right here. Very nice, the brightness. I have this brightness down a little bit lower than the other one, but it's still very bright. And then here's your menu. And it's the same type of menu. You just rotate it around and you'll have access to everything. You don't have to scroll through pages and all the different things like that. Get your blood pressure, O2, you know, just a lot of fun and interesting things. Your exercise, your music player, that's going to be really handy for your phone. You know, if you want to do your remote camera shutters, you can set your phone up and then use your watch to take the picture. Got your blood pressures. You know, there's just so many things. There's an app for the software. It's even got a pre-installed game. Oh, it's Flappy Bird, so I'm sure that could be fun when you need to kill a few minutes and you want something to do. You just do this. Interesting. But the watch itself is super nice. I really like this design too. This reminds me of like a Samsung watch. So same thing here. You just hold that down. You could scroll through the different preloaded watch faces on here. It's very nice. Some of them are really cool looking. I don't know what... It's got some sort of fireworks going on with it. Got this one. Got this one. And I do like this watch here. I like to watch the watch hands on here, the heart rate and the steps and all that good stuff. So, you know, I think I'll keep it on there. But this has been a super fun watch to have. I do like the cologne and perfume feature of it. It's unique. I've never really seen that before. So if y'all enjoy this, go ahead and click the links below and give it a try. You know, if y'all wouldn't mind giving me a like and subscribe, it definitely helps out the channel continue to grow. Do appreciate y'all doing these videos. It's been a lot of fun. It's just so much. I just can't stop messing with it. There's a lot to play. I really like the sleek look of this. Feels real good. It's strong. It's got a good band on there. Super nice. I do want to show a side-by-side before I go of the floated menus so you get an idea. There's the diffuser. Oh, just got some more on. Definitely cool. Yeah, you could just rub it and get a little spray of cologne on. Very nice. So here these are side by side, And I thought it was real interesting to see the one on the S1's a little brighter. I might need to turn that down just a hair. You can see it's still very bright. You know, these watches now are super bright in it, and you need it to be, because when you're outside sometimes you need to see. But look at these menus, they're really cool. I like how you don't have to scroll through pages and pages worth of stuff. I do really like the floating menu on there. It's very nice. I do think if you're in the market for a perfume watch, this would be perfect for you. But until the next video, we'll see you next time. Bye.